Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing the landscape of semiconductor development. In this video, we'll explore how AI is revolutionizing the way chips are designed, manufactured, and optimized. From automating complex tasks to predicting outcomes, AI is becoming an essential tool for engineers and researchers. As the demand for faster, smaller, and more efficient chips grows, AI's role in the industry is only becoming more significant. Let's dive into the world of semiconductors and see how AI is powering the next wave of innovation. One of the most impactful areas where AI is making a difference is chip design. Traditionally, designing a semiconductor chip required extensive manual labor and expertise. Now, AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and suggest optimal layouts. This not only speeds up the design process but also reduces errors and improves efficiency. Engineers can focus on creative problem solving, while AI handles repetitive and data-intensive tasks. The synergy between human intelligence and AI is creating smarter, more reliable chips. Testing and validation are crucial steps in semiconductor development. AI is transforming these processes by automating test generation and analysis. Machine learning models can quickly identify defects, predict failures, and suggest corrective actions. This automation ensures higher quality chips and reduces the time needed for testing. With AI, manufacturers can achieve faster turnaround times and deliver products to market more efficiently. The result is a more robust and reliable semiconductor industry. Manufacturing semiconductors is a complex and precise process. AI is helping manufacturers optimize production lines, monitor equipment, and predict maintenance needs. By analyzing sensor data and production metrics, AI can detect anomalies and prevent costly downtime. This leads to higher yields, lower costs, and improved product quality. As factories become smarter, AI is enabling a new era of efficient and flexible manufacturing in the semiconductor industry. Predictive analytics powered by AI is changing how semiconductor companies approach development. By analyzing historical data and current trends, AI can forecast demand, identify potential bottlenecks, and recommend strategies for improvement. This proactive approach helps companies stay ahead of the competition and respond quickly to market changes. Predictive analytics is now a key component in the decision-making process for semiconductor development. Search for new materials is essential for advancing semiconductor technology. AI is accelerating materials discovery by simulating experiments and predicting properties. Machine learning models can analyze chemical compositions and suggest promising candidates for research. This speeds up innovation and helps scientists find materials that are more efficient, durable, and cost-effective. AI is opening new possibilities in the world of semiconductor material. Simulation and modeling are vital for designing and testing semiconductors. AI enhances these processes by creating more accurate and detailed models. With machine learning, engineers can simulate complex scenarios and predict outcomes with greater precision. This reduces the need for physical prototypes and speeds up development. Enhanced simulation and modeling are making semiconductor development more efficient and cost-effective. Yield optimization is a critical factor in semiconductor manufacturing. AI algorithms analyze production data to identify factors affecting yield and suggest improvements. By continuously monitoring and adjusting processes, AI helps manufacturers maximize output and minimize waste. This leads to higher profitability and sustainability. Yield optimization powered by AI is transforming the economics of semiconductor production. Detecting defects early is essential for ensuring chip quality. AI-powered vision systems can scan chips for imperfections and classify defects with high accuracy. This automation reduces human error and speeds up the inspection process. Manufacturers can quickly address issues and maintain high standards. AI-driven defect detection is making semiconductor products more reliable and consistent. Managing the semiconductor supply chain is a complex task. AI is helping companies optimize logistics, forecast demand, and manage inventory. By analyzing real-time data, AI can predict disruptions and recommend solutions. This ensures a steady flow of materials and reduces delays. Supply chain optimization with AI is making the semiconductor industry more resilient and responsive. Quality control is vital for semiconductor manufacturing. AI systems monitor production lines, analyze product quality, and flag anomalies. This real-time monitoring ensures that only high-quality chips reach the market. AI's ability to process large volumes of data makes quality control more efficient and reliable. The result is a stronger reputation for manufacturers and greater customer satisfaction. Energy efficiency is a growing concern in semiconductor development. AI is helping engineers design chips that consume less power and operate more efficiently. By analyzing usage patterns and optimizing circuit layouts, AI can suggest improvements that reduce energy consumption. This is especially important for mobile devices and IoT applications. AI-driven energy efficiency is shaping the future of sustainable technology. Security is a top priority in semiconductor development. AI is being used to detect vulnerabilities, monitor threats, and protect intellectual property. Machine learning models can identify suspicious activity and respond quickly to potential breaches. This proactive approach helps manufacturers safeguard their products and maintain trust with customers. AI-driven security is essential for the future of semiconductors. Optimizing manufacturing processes is key to success in the semiconductor industry. AI analyzes production data, identifies inefficiencies, and recommends improvements. By continuously learning and adapting, AI helps manufacturers achieve higher productivity and lower costs. Process optimization with AI is enabling companies to stay competitive and deliver better products. Customer support is an important aspect of semiconductor business. AI-powered chatbots and support systems can answer questions, resolve issues, and provide technical assistance. This improves customer satisfaction and frees up human agents for more complex tasks. AI-driven customer support is making the semiconductor industry more responsive and efficient. Understanding market trends is crucial for semiconductor companies. AI analyzes market data, tracks competitor activity, and forecasts future demand. This helps companies make informed decisions and adapt to changing conditions. AI-driven market analysis is giving semiconductor businesses a competitive edge and helping them stay ahead of the curve. Research and development are at the heart of semiconductor innovation. AI is accelerating R&D by automating experiments, analyzing results, and suggesting new directions. This speeds up discovery and helps companies bring new products to market faster. AI-driven R&D is shaping the future of semiconductor technology. Reducing costs is a major goal for semiconductor manufacturers. AI helps by optimizing processes, reducing waste, and improving efficiency. By analyzing data and recommending changes, AI enables companies to operate more profitably. Cost reduction powered by AI is making semiconductor products more affordable and accessible. Maintaining equipment is essential for semiconductor production. AI predicts maintenance needs, schedules repairs, and monitors equipment health. This reduces downtime and prevents unexpected failures. AI-driven maintenance is making semiconductor factories more reliable and efficient. Customization is becoming increasingly important in semiconductor development. AI enables manufacturers to tailor chips to specific applications and customer needs. By analyzing requirements and optimizing designs, AI helps create products that are more versatile and effective. Customization powered by AI is opening new opportunities in the semiconductor industry. Forecasting supply is a challenge for semiconductor companies. AI analyzes market trends, production data, and inventory levels to predict supply needs. This helps companies plan more effectively and avoid shortages. AI-driven supply forecasting is making the semiconductor industry more agile and responsive. Automation is a key trend in semiconductor manufacturing. AI automates repetitive tasks, monitors production lines, and ensures consistency. This frees up human workers for more complex and creative tasks. Process automation powered by AI is making semiconductor factories smarter and more efficient. Environmental monitoring is important for sustainable semiconductor production. AI analyzes emissions, monitors waste, and suggests improvements. This helps companies reduce their environmental impact and comply with regulations. AI-driven environmental monitoring is making the semiconductor industry more eco-friendly. Managing intellectual property is crucial for semiconductor companies. AI tracks patents, monitors competitors, and identifies potential infringements. This helps companies protect their innovations and maintain a competitive edge. AI-driven IP management is becoming an essential tool in the semiconductor industry. Managing the workforce is a challenge for semiconductor manufacturers. AI analyzes employee performance, schedules shifts, and predicts staffing needs. This helps companies optimize their workforce and improve productivity. AI-driven workforce management is making semiconductor factories more efficient and effective. Managing the product lifecycle is essential for semiconductor companies. AI tracks products from design to disposal, analyzes performance, and suggests improvements. This helps companies extend product life and reduce waste. AI-driven product lifecycle management is making the semiconductor industry more sustainable. Collaboration and teamwork are vital for semiconductor innovation. AI facilitates communication, coordinates projects, and tracks progress. This helps teams work more effectively and achieve better results. AI-driven collaboration is making the semiconductor industry more connected and productive. Risk management is crucial for semiconductor companies. AI identifies potential risks, analyzes data, and recommends mitigation strategies. This helps companies avoid costly mistakes and ensure smooth operations. AI-driven risk management is making the semiconductor industry more resilient. Managing innovation is key to staying ahead in the semiconductor industry. AI tracks new ideas, analyzes trends, and suggests directions for research. This helps companies foster creativity and bring new products to market faster. AI-driven innovation management is shaping the future of semiconductors. Artificial intelligence is transforming every aspect of semiconductor development, from design and manufacturing to market analysis and innovation management. As AI technology continues to evolve, its impact on the semiconductor industry will only grow. Companies that embrace AI will be better positioned to innovate, compete, and succeed in the fast-paced world of technology. The future of semiconductors is bright, powered by the intelligence and creativity of both humans and machines.